To add Robinhood to an authenticator app, you will need to enable two-factor authentication on your Robinhood account and then link it to your authenticator app. Start by opening the Robinhood app and navigating to the account settings. In the account settings, find the security section and select two-factor authentication. You will be given the option to use an authenticator app. Select this option and you will be shown a QR code. Open your authenticator app, such as Google Authenticator or auth, and select the option to add a new account. Choose to scan a QR code and point your camera at the QR code displayed on the Robinhood app. The authenticator app will then generate a 6-digit code that you will need to enter into the Robinhood app to complete the setup. Once you have entered the code, two-factor authentication will be enabled on your Robinhood account and you will need to use the Authenticator app to generate a code every time you log in. It is essential to keep your Authenticator app secure and make sure you have access to it at all times, as you will not be able to log in to your Robinhood account without it. It is also a good idea to save the recovery codes provided by Robinhood in a safe place, in case you lose access to your Authenticator app. By following these steps, you can add Robinhood to your Authenticator app and significantly improve the security of your account. This is an important step in protecting your financial information and preventing unauthorized access to your account.